sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Divya English. I am from India in Andhra Pradesh. I am 10 years old. I study in 5th class. My school name is SKVSM High School, Punjabi Patel. I am from India in Jabalpur. I am 9 years old. I study in class 5th. My name is Aishman Laha. I am from India in Karnataka. I am 8 years old. I study in 3rd class.
My name is Ashi. I'm from New Delhi. I'm study in class 7. I want to become a doctor. Thank you so much. Meet you.
My name is Yamkinisha. I am from India in Bihar. I am 7 years old. I study in 3rd class.
Okay, so now Ashi will tell what did we learn in previous class. What was our previous class all about?
Sir, we learned in previous class use of doodles and 6 sentences with the help of does.
Why are you not? After subject not. Have you forgotten? 6 sentences with ism or was were. You are my friend. You are not my friend. Are you my friend? Are you not my friend? Why are you my friend? Why are you not my friend? If you want to say it together, why aren't you my friend? Short form. Why isn't she my friend? Why is she not my friend? Together, why isn't she my friend? Then no need to use the not after this subject. Yes, she speaks English.
Excuse me, sir. English. No. She speaks English. No, she doesn't speak English. Does she speak English? Does she not speak English? When does she speak English? When does she not speak English? Thank you, sir.
Why do you not speak English? If you are joining in this online class, so why do you not speak English? In short form, why don't you speak English? Divya, if you are joining in this online class, so why don't you speak English? Why doesn't Surbi speak English? If Surbi is joining in this online class, so why doesn't Surbi speak English? You have to check the meanings in the Telugu language. Whatever sentences I am saying, you 6 sentences, the Hindi medium students, the meanings it is written in the Hindi also. Those who are not coming from that particular background, so they make sure that translate it into the Google also and find out the meaning and why. When? Next question is, when does he speak English? When does she speak English? When does Mania speak English? Mania speaks English in online English class.